My people, things they really happen. One 16 years old girl don't go stage her own kidnapping just because of say wait she won't gather money for hand. Una they see children of nowadays. If I talk say the kind things where they run inside their mind, they just they find sharp way to get money. Small pikin 16 years, you don't they plan as you won't take cash out. Now wow people, they talk say this one Ekiti State police people now go arrest this girl where her name now Sulika Abimbola. This girl now 16 years old and her boyfriend will be Oluwaseun Daniel Olajide. This boy now 20 years old. So then these two people now come together and I see as love strong. This kind of children love it now what? So these two people come together say made a plan as they want to kidnap her so that her family go pay money. When they hear things where they happen, them talk say na him brother, this one where name na Bolaji Femi. Now I go report to police say his sister come up from house so say this girl they go school. And this kind 16 years old girl, I sure say this girl say they secondary school. Abi yes now secondary school abi SS now this girl go day. She come decide say she come up for house. As she come up for house now there the brother begin find her say this girl no come house. One day they never see this girl. Now there the brother rush go police station. They say divisional police headquarters. Now there the brother go say he know they see his sister. And as the matter be, he don't call his sister number. Now another person they pick and talk say the girl they inside their custody. Say and they no go release this girl until they pay the sum of 500,000 naira. 500 children 500,000. See the big money where this girl she never even call make her say 20,000. This girl I don't already wide from small picking. So they go pay that money and they even sent a Union Bank account where belongs to one Adisa Damilola. So when they pay the money inside on Asias, then this kind of kidnapping they don't even wise. Their own business, they never even start, they never even sit down. Think I'm say, okay, if I kidnap you, kidnappers, they're supposed to even go watch your Imbo film. Not that they take kidnap before they plan their own. Because now, I don't put the name of the person. And I don't say they go track the person who get this kind of account. You know, they see people, they're not even too wise. They say, now, this man go report to police. Now, this anti-kidnapping units can't carry this matter for head. Rush, okay, they won't start work. They don't even to take self. Now they start to track this Sulika of a girl. Now they go meet auntie inside hotel with her boyfriend. This guy they chill. She they relax, they enjoy her life inside hotel. Can't tell her parents say they don't kidnap her. And as they catch these people, not be only them they catch. They say they catch one boy where name now Afolaju Caleb. That one say they inside them. Now they ask this girl questions. Okay, what did make you plan this kind of thing? Because you know they normal. 16 years old girl to the reason this kind of thing. It means say either a person push her to do this kind. Abi one kind evil mind 9 days for her mind. Now she talk say she plan collect this money to relocate come out from Ekiti State. Until where you won't go. Nigeria hot anyways. Anywhere where they go, it hot as it hot. The girl talk say her mama say make she go do medicine. And she don't want to do medicine. She want be actress. How many people you see say don't they plan to act when they never blow? People when they even blow say they never blow. Now you can't think and say, may you go do medicine. You know, agree. You say na film, now you want the act. Because of that one. In fact, you be good actress. For you to stage this kind of film, when we say you still can't fail, it shows even if you enter film industry, you go still fail. Because you don't go succeed because this one way don't they plan at this age. The thing never even grow. I conscious say now inside film, now you go can't succeed. And now they see what thing they happen, my people. This small pikin now, some people they find this opportunity where this guy get to go even study. They don't even want to study medicine. Just go school. Now they want. This girl see her parents get the money. Okay, they won't take you through medical field. They may go learn medicine. This girl talk say no. So now film now she want the act. When some people they there, come on primary school they never go. Money they won't pay primary school fees. They never see. Now you can't they here they act this nonsense thing. We are children. In fact, children of now, where they get this mind from? Because the kind of mind that people they gather now, especially youths now, the mind where they get it is strong. The kind of things where they do, it is surprise me. But as you won't thief your parents of money, 500k, where they say won't carry you rich. Because even your acting career, by the time they say, pay this one, pay for audition, in fact that money don't finish. That money be like chicken chain. Now you can't carry say you want on. And don't say this girl na lie, she they lie. They don't already plan and say, in case they go catch them now, wait till she go talk with this. Because you don't already plan and say, now you and your boyfriend won't go spend that money. 16 years old girl. In fact, I should say, normal 15 years old girls, to get boyfriend, it means say you don't even get moral. For this whole matter, you know you call your papa, it means say your mama even single. You can't get moral. Say you won't get boyfriend, you know they even fear. You know, the fear self say you still dey young. And I sure say as this boy dey with this girl for this hotel, in fact, they suppose arrest this boy for 2 cases, plus the kidnapping, plus rape, because I sure say him go don knack this girl well for this place. But now wetin this girl dey find, now wetin her eye see, because if she no ask for this kind thing, she no go see am. If she no ask for them, now you plan your thing and now you execute your thing. So anything wey you see, in fact, you know wetin dey vex me for this whole matter? Wetin make dem open in this boy's face? They can't cover the girl face. Una see say corner things don dey there. Maybe the girl mama na don pay say you know what, make dem show im children face. Now make them cover them the girl's face, can't leave the man face. They suppose open all of them face, make we see all of them. Because for small pikin to the reason this kind thing, it means say she get man. She fit, in fact, she go fit even kill her family members as e be. And upon everything where you say you won't go act, what if you can't go start this acting of a class thing? You don't even can't succeed. You know how many people they act where you say they don't even see the opportunity self to grow. You can't see small opportunity, say go school, you say you no won't go. My people making that they careful for our children nowadays, because if like say children when they born now, I don't know the kind evil spirit where they did their body. I don't know why thing they control them, because the kind they won't do by force, get money. They won't cash out by force, by fire. Even when they never reach. Hey, so suppose they think of school, relax your mind, they think of education. You don't think of say I want to get sharp 500k. My people make na dey careful. Now, even to trust your own children, if you know they worthy. See the kind of stress where this girl just put her family into. Somebody go just they decide, say, I want to make my family cry. I want to make my family worry, because I know say the family go cry. Mama go here say they don't kidnap him pikin, and she no go dey worried. And this girl no even bother. She no even, the thing no even touch her for one heart. In fact, 1 inch of her heart, she no even feel am say this thing which they do is no good. But people make shine eye. Children when they born, if you no give them better training, even the one way they give better training, if you not take care, in fact they go sell on. My people now this one now here I want to make her bring and come. Make na dey hear wetin pikin get mind to do to your own mama. You no even fear say na im mama wey born her, she still get that courage to do am. Anything wey na fear about this whole matter where they happen, make na no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na no forget to like, share, and also subscribe to that button. I go see you for the next video.